guess. Need to be perfect.
Oke, saat ini kita akan bikin sebuah konten. Kami akan bikin sebuah konten yang diminta oleh penonton cukup banyak, yaitu pengen ngobrol dengan Dipo dan Shira tentang kehidupan di New York City. Apa kabar?
Baik-baik saja.
I think it's okay for us to speak in English if you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Soalnya aku lebih lancar bahasa Inggris.
Lebih lancar bahasa Inggris. Dipo juga.
Hah?
Sebenarnya dari kita di Indonesia, kalian berdua juga lebih lancar bahasa Inggris kan?
Iya.
Aku waktu di Indonesia selalu disuruh sama mama dan Omi untuk lebih banyak ngomong bahasa Indonesia. Jadi akhirnya lebih lancar Indonesia. Terus pas waktu udah lancar Indonesia kita pindah ke Amerika.
Tapi kan beruntung di Amerika Serikat bahasa Inggrisnya udah pada bagus gitu. Ingat gak waktu pertama kali kesini, kalian di sekolah masing-masing disuruh tes bahasa Inggrisnya. Terus siapa yang ditanya? Dipo atau Shira yang ditanya? Indonesia pakai bahasa apa sih? Pakai bahasa Indonesia. Kok bahasa Inggrisnya bagus? Itu siapa yang ditanya?
Oh, me.
Oh
no. I don't think it was asking me about like Indonesia bahasa apa sih. They were asking me where I was from, and then I said Indonesia. I moved here 3 months ago. They were like, then how come you speak English so well?
Well, because you're smart.
Because I was.
Aku nggak pernah kayak gitu, tapi aku ingat waktu kita
juga bisa sih, people can learn a little bit slower, so it might take more than 3 months to learn English, so that's fine.
Waktu kita pertama kali signing up untuk sekolahnya, kita ke orang Korea, I think, who's like English instructor untuk anak-anak. Dia bilang, what language do you speak most often at home? And I said, like mix of English and Indonesian. Terus she had to confirm with you and Mama beneran ngomong bahasa Inggris di rumah.
Nah jadi sekarang udah 2 tahun tinggal di New York. Kita akan ngobrol-ngobrol. Iya udah 2 tahun loh. Isn't it wild? Iya loh. Yang mana Dipo tahun depan akan kuliah, Shira tahun depan akan naik ke kelas 8 ya, and then tahun berikutnya masuk SMA. Nah, kita mungkin ngobrol-ngobrol. Let's start off from way in the beginning. Do you remember when I told you about moving out to New York? Remember?
Not really.
Dipo ingat ya?
Like partially, I think.
Ya, aku ingat soalnya Dipo jalan sore sama Ayah. Saya tanya gimana.
Now I remember. Then I was so sad because I was gonna leave my friends.
Dipo juga sedih waktu dengar pertama kali.
I don't remember how I felt. I think I was mostly indifferent.
Because it took so long for us to actually go to New York, I eventually forgot about it and everything.
Ya, karena kita ngomongnya udah dari lama.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of prepared you. I remember though, we had a meeting, like at the dinner table. We were talking about what happened, or what can we do to make sure that we can avoid school shooting, if you remember.
I don't.
Shira langsung naik ke atas soalnya.
I don't.
Tapi ketika kita sebenarnya tahun 2019 pernah ke New York kan? Kita pernah liburan ke LA, terus pindah ke New York. Kalian ingat nggak liburan itu? Masih pada kecil-kecil sih. Padahal baru pikir-pikir nggak kecil-kecil amat loh.
Wait, how old were we?
I don't know, 2019, that was like 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5 years ago. Berarti Dipo 12 kali ya? Iya. Shira berapa tuh? Shira umur sekarang 12.
So 5 years?
Ya, berarti 7. 7 tahun.
7.
Ingat nggak New York seperti apa? Panas sih waktu itu, kita summer di sini.
Summernya rada similar ke Indonesia kan?
Iya, sama panasnya.
I think it was either in LA or New York that we were going to Universal.
That was in LA.
Oh yeah, and I thought it was a friggin' hotel, so I was packing up like a fool, and it took until either like you or Mama or Dipo to ask me what I was doing.
Yeah.
I was like, oh wait, it's not a hotel. We weren't moving.
Sebenarnya salah satu alasannya liburan ke sana adalah to check on your vibes towards the cities, LA sama New York. And it felt like waktu itu saya sama Mama, kayaknya anak-anak Enggak, there are no complaints actually. Tapi you guys never complain anyway. Anak baik, nggak pernah banyak protes, nggak pernah banyak komplain. Paling kepanasan doang aja waktu itu. Terus ya udah terus gitu kita pindah ke Ayah ingat pertama kali kita kesini bulan Juli kalau nggak salah nyari rumah. Oh ngurus visa nggak susah. Ya waktu itu ya.
Didn't you guys one time leave me alone outside?
Yeah, outside. Yeah.
How long was that?
I don't know.
An hour?
45 minutes I guess. Kasihan Shira. Tapi terus gitu kita pernah kesini sekali untuk cari rumah, terus pulang ke Jakarta, terus kesini lagi untuk tinggal. If you remember. Sebenarnya yang milih rumah ini adalah Shira.
Yeah.
Apa yang bikin Shira pilih rumah ini dibandingin rumah-rumah yang lain?
I don't know. I just felt better here.
Dipo punya ada satu rumah yang Dipo incar sebenarnya. There was another house that you
I think it was
wanted.
because of the rooms, the bedrooms. I felt more excited to stay in there. And now that I think about our bedrooms, I should have kept the colors of the walls the same.
What was it before? Green?
Green, and Dipo's was gray.
I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, it was gray.
Dark gray.
I'm pretty sure I also agreed on this house. Yeah. It was the house I had. Semua kamarnya paling dekat kecuali satu. Terus juga agak jauh dari pintu depan.
Oh ya, kamarnya maksudnya.
Iya.
Jadi lebih aman ya. Terus waktu masuk sekolah pertama kali, masih ingat nggak rasanya seperti apa? Yang pasti Shira skip kelas bahkan harusnya Shira kan ada di elementary. Tapi karena pelajarannya di Indonesia itu lebih advanced. Karena kata guru-gurunya, kayaknya lu mesti naik satu tingkat ya, langsung SMP kan kamu kan?
Langsung I had to skip a grade. Terus I felt so awkward karena guru-gurunya selalu semuanya bilang, hey, don't you guys remember this in 5th grade? And in my head I'm like, no, I never went. I never went.
Nggak pernah kelas 5 ya?
Iya.
Langsung naik. Tapi kalau Dipo gimana waktu itu masuk? It's a high school, it's public school, and in New York.
I remember being a bit disorientated trying to find some of the rooms.
Oh yeah.
Apalagi karena
the classes?
Yeah, classrooms karena a bit
gede.
Gede.
Yeah. And usually kalau di high school we don't go to any different rooms unless it's like art or religion or PE. Usually we stay inside the same classroom and teach and we're taught by the same like 2 teachers for every subject.
Grade 8, 9 emang ganti-ganti kamar tapi kamarnya semua dekat sekali. Ruangnya.
Ya, berdekatan, ini gede banget.
Yeah.
Sekolahnya Dipo, by the way, to put into context, itu gymnya aja ada berapa? Ada 4 ya?
Ya, ada 4.
Gym.
Ada technically ada 2, tapi dipotong jadi 4.
Jadi 4 ruang.
Ada satu yang kedua lebih kecil dari yang satu lagi.
Ada berapa lapangan basket?
Lapangan basket like satu, tapi ada 2 like on the side of each hoop ada 2 smaller hoops
gitu.
On the sides.
Ada kolam renang juga kan?
Enggak.
Bukannya ada kolam renang? Karena waktu pertama kali ke sana ada beberapa murid yang mau sekolah renang di situ.
Gak ada kolam.
Wait, are we talking about the old building or the new building?
I don't remember.
Karena kan high school for a while was like this.
No, I was talking about his high school.
Oh.
High school yang the second high school building ada kolam renang mungkin ayah.
Enggak. Waktu ke Francis Lewis, waktu daftarin kamu, itu ada anak-anak lagi pada datang pakai.
You were talking about Francis Lewis. I was still stuck in high school.
I was talking about Francis Lewis. But anyway, ada greenhouse.
Ada greenhouse ya. Yeah. Aku ada kelas di greenhouse.
And they're cockroaches.
Not anymore.
Tadinya ada. Dipo ngerawat cockroaches tadinya ya. Okay. Nah, tapi berat nggak sekolah di New York?
Berat.
Was it tough? Lebih susah pelajarannya dibanding sama di...
I had a bit of a hard time in 6th grade, but 7th grade is like pretty easy for me. A little bit more easy.
6th grade was hard because I remember...
I was like going through it. I was like really insecure and everything, but now I'm...
Tapi kamu waktu itu menang waktu 6th grade kamu menang spelling bee kan? Like kamu baru masuk terus udah gitu langsung menang spelling bee di kelas kamu. I remember you told me.
Yeah, but then because I was like somewhere else, I couldn't go to the school
You
to
were
do
sick.
I was sick.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
sick. So I couldn't do like the actual spelling bees.
Kalau Dipo, ngerasanya lebih susah nggak sekolah di sini? Atau lebih mudah?
Just different, beda aja.
Yeah.
Bedanya tuh gimana?
Yeah.
Cara ngajarnya beda.
Cara strukturnya beda.
Strukturnya beda.
beda.
I also wasn't used to just like every single period just walk out and then go into a new classroom because like I said in high school back then we wouldn't really leave the classroom unless it was for gym or religion or art or anything like that, so we would always stay in the classroom. And also it was different because in high school they allowed us to use our phones, but no, we're not allowed.
Yeah. Tiba juga ngerasa hal yang sama.
Yeah, high school particularly structurnya very different.
That's okay.
I also remember once, like during the earlier days, ada anak tanya aku, "Is this your first year?" And it took me a while to figure out what he was saying because for some reason, I think my ears are genuinely just.
Kenapa susah untuk kan emang iya tahun pertama di Francis Lewis.
Tapi susah dengar. I don't remember why.
Oh. Okay.
My ears.
Ayah ingat kalian yang ayah tahu nilai-nilai kalian di sekolah bagus-bagus kan, makanya ayah sering pamer ke Nining, pamer ke Omi. Ayah sama mama bangga sekali.
Back to what I was saying, and I said and I also said this is the first time I've been to an American school, and he said no. Sorry, my train of thought. Oh my god.
No, tapi back to my question.
Yeah. Why? Oh my god, my train of thought just you could see it derail in real time.
No, I'm asking.
Ngantuk.
Nilai-nilai kalian kan bagus.
Iya.
Kalian pasti sadar itu kan?
Iya.
Bahwa nilai kalian bagus.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 100 twice in art this year.
How does that make you feel?
Yeah, all right.
Because
a bit proud.
back in high school, it wasn't like that.
I
right?
was a bit pretty proud of myself.
I
even achieved honor roll in math.
Oh yeah, honorable in math. That's awesome.
Honor roll.
Honor roll.
Honors, yeah.
Kalau Dipo tadi mau ngomong apa?
Can we cut out the part where I lost my train of thought?
Nah, it's okay. It's fine. I do that as well. We do that. We do that. Tadi Shira juga di tengah-tengah ngomong word about something. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay.
Sorry. Anyways, I remember realizing that a lot of the students were learning inequalities for the first time in like 10th grade and being really like just kind of dumbfounded
about inequality.
About inequalities. This is the first time people are learning about it in 10th
Oh
grade.
my gosh. I remember.
Yeah, 10th grade pertama kali learning inequalities.
Wait, but
sebenarnya di high school kamu udah dari kapan tahu gitu?
Iya.
Tapi I'm learning about inequalities right now though.
Wow.
And I remember every time I thought
I don't know, maybe something was just wrong with the people in my classroom.
Yeah, maybe. Because I'm still learning about inequalities right now as a 7th grader. I always think about, whenever I think about inequalities, I always think about what my teachers at high school would say, like the symbols would be like a crocodile and it would always eat the biggest number because it's the juiciest. It has the most.
Yeah, I think it's that the way you describe it, it kind of feels like the teachers are better in teaching. Would you say? Atau tergantung, ada guru yang bagus ngajar, ada yang enggak?
Tergantung
ya. Ada yang enak juga ya?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I also remember you mentioned was teaching in Indonesia is more advanced. That made me think about how, like pas udah like when you get your report cards and then they put it inside like a little thingy, paper thing. And when Mama looked at it, she was like, "Oh my gosh, this is so old school."
Iya benar. Terus sekarang sekolah udah terasa oke aja. I tahu soalnya kalian sering dipuji sama guru. Teachers are very
nice.
Yeah, they're very nice and they think of you guys highly. You love the teachers here?
Yes.
You have a favorite teacher, Shira?
Miss Kumar, the science one, because we have two Miss Kumars, and a lot of people don't like her because she's a little bit like strict and she yells a lot. But I feel like I can understand that it's only because of the stress of having to deal with so many kids that don't listen to the teachers.
Or do you love her?
Yelling at small children probably isn't a good way to raise them.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yelling at small children probably isn't a good way to care for them
Yeah,
either.
tapi kan karena teenagers dan kids berisik, jadi kan people have their limits.
Yeah.
Tapi kamu sendiri suka sama Miss Kumar kenapa?
Well, first, I can kind of sympathize with her, and also, she's pretty nice to me. One time she gave me a starburst. Yeah, and also she went up to my classmate and I. We were like working together. She was like, "How's my two favorite people doing?"
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Kalau Dipo, guru favoritnya ada sekarang?
Ya semuanya baik-baik lah.
Also, I remember I loved this teacher named Mr. Gonzalez, but he left the school to go to another to like teach Spanish because that's his first language. I always liked him. The students really hate him. One time, my classmate leaked his phone number because he kept getting himself in trouble by him. And another classmate of mine said, I hope he dies. It's so mean.
How old are those kids?
12, I think.
12.
Yeah, and they're like...
How about social life in school?
Social life, it's pretty fine, honestly.
Oh, just, kids will be kids, I guess.
Yeah, I have a lot of good
ada yang
friends.
nakal.
I have good friends.
Siapa aja?
I don't want to give it too many names.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Let's just not mention other kids' names, but you do have friends that you're close with.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dipo juga.
One guy I talk to semi-regularly.
Are there Indonesian kids in your school?
Like one girl in my greenhouse class.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Remember her name?
Oh my
Anastasia.
Anastasia?
Yeah.
She's from Jakarta?
I don't recall.
You don't recall?
Speaking of, there's like one Indonesian student here that my teacher told me about, and well, not my teacher, my guidance counselor, and he was like, she, oh my gosh, she was like, I'm not sure if she's fully Indonesian though, but maybe I should talk to her or something along those lines. I do remember her saying, I don't know if she's fully Indonesian, and it made me so happy because every single day I get to see other students talking to their friends in their native tongue, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, and I don't get to do that because there's not a lot of Indonesians.
I thought Neo was also Indonesian, right?
Neo's not in the school anymore because last year he was an 8th grader.
Oh, the night.
I
see. Yeah.
And Arlie's not like, even though
Arlie di bawah kamu.
he was in the same grade. Even though he's like partially Indonesian, he barely speaks any Indonesian at all.
Oh, I see. Alright, so living here in New York, obviously there are things, it changes you somehow. Like for one thing, being outside of Indonesia tends to make you connect even more towards Indonesian culture. Do you feel like that? Kayak Shira sekarang belajar banyak tarian. Shira kan belajar tarian Indonesia kan setelah di sini kan, karena Shira pengen nari di depan murid-murid.
Bukan, I just wanted to try. I thought maybe by doing things like learning how to do traditional dances, I could be a little closer to my culture because I felt really disconnected.
That's a good thing, yeah. Kalau Dipo?
I'm about the same, really. I mean, I have like the mildest of aspirations deep in the back of my mind to do Indonesian more cooking, like Indonesian cooking, or like just cooking in general, honestly.
Yeah.
Kenapa chef?
Chef Dipo. Been cooking since.
Dan soalnya Dipo juga di sini juga makannya nasi abon, nasi kentang, banyak makanan Indonesia kan?
Yeah.
Awang.
Iya, Awang Kitchen, shout out Awang Kitchen. Sering pesan makanan Awang Kitchen. Iya. Tapi how much do you miss Indonesia, especially now?
A lot. But
during the first year, I know you guys miss Indonesia.
Didn't I like start crying because of how homesick I was?
Yeah, I know. I remember.
Once during New Year's.
Yeah. Sira ngomong apa?
And then we started watching Bluey.
I miss Indonesia, but there are some downs, especially because our new president. and especially ever since
Our current new president.
Yes,
the newly elected.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And ever since I discovered that he was actually won the elections, I've been wishing the best for Indonesia.
Well, it's always that way. People are saying Donald Trump might win again.
It's been bad in Indonesia, but
Really?
now that we have our current president, it might get worse.
Well, I think it depends on
Maybe it
how
kinda sucked.
we decided to, not control, but we need to be the watchdog. The people has to be the watchdog, so that if the president, whoever it is, does something bad, we protest. That's our part because we pay tax.
Yeah.
I pay tax.
Mama once said that Indonesians are more scared to speak up to stand their ground against the government compared to Americans.
Mm-hmm.
I remember once I was shown a video in class of, I think it was the Indonesian government rolling up a Panzer-style tank to a protest and then failing to shoo them away. I don't know when that was or.
Yeah, well,
that was
there
the
were
news,
moments during that. Yeah.
Thought it was funny.
Yeah.
You can't even shoot. He's so incompetent. Can't even shoot people away with a tank.
Sekarang setelah tinggal di New York berapa lama? What is it about New York that you guys really like?
My friends, my teachers,
Mm-hmm.
and also I don't know. I guess it's also because Americans are just masters of flattery.
Really?
Yeah, even Mama says so. I get flattered the most when I was in the hospital.
Oh yeah, you're right.
And I felt so touched when I was in the hospital because of appendicitis and my bleeding intestine.
Yeah. How about you, Deepo? What do you like about New York?
Less pollution and litter.
Oh yeah, that's also.
A little more greenery too. That's nice.
Yeah, which is weird, right? You wouldn't think about moving to New York and living in a greener place compared to Indonesia. You know what I'm saying? You would think that Indonesia is greener.
As a tropical
Not
country.
really.
It's a tropical country, but we live in Jakarta, and the air is always polluted. We rarely see blue skies in Jakarta. Remember that?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
But now here it's
Yeah.
clear blue sky a lot of the times. Right? So yeah, you like less pollution, more green.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else?
Yeah. I do like autumn.
You like autumn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice to not have one season all year round.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not that big of a fan of the cold because
I hate the cold.
living in warmer climates kind of makes it hard to withstand colder climates. But sweater weather is really nice.
I like
Yeah.
sweater weather.
Sweater weather, like spring and autumn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I hate winter. I hate it because I always have to wait every time I wake up in the morning. I'm cold and I need to turn on every dang heater in the house.
Yeah.
The only thing I really don't like about winter is because it's hard to find bugs and birds.
Dang.
Yeah. But birds are still out during winters, I think.
Yeah, I know. Less
But
than.
not as much
Yeah.
if it's spring and summer
Yeah.
and fall. Would you say?
Birds in the trees.
Yeah. Would
And
you
plastic.
say there would be a day, there will be a time where you feel like I don't think we have to go back to Jakarta for vacation. So because next August we're going to Jakarta for vacation. The last summer we also went to Jakarta for vacation. Would you think that there would be a time that you're so comfortable in New York during summer you feel like let's not go back to Jakarta because maybe you don't miss it as much? Do you see that happening in the future?
Yeah.
I'm not sure because I don't want to disconnect too much from my culture, and I also feel a little more in Jakarta. I feel like I belong there a little more because obviously I do because I'm Indonesian, and it's a little bit less isolated when I'm with my people and stuff like that. And it also brings nostalgia.
Yeah. One of the toughest
Kinda.
part about moving here,
Yeah.
for me, especially as a father, is seeing how hard it is for us to adapt physically memang. Karena dinginnya. I ingat waktu tahun lalu, di bulan November kalau nggak salah. Mama sakit, Dipo sakit, Shira sakit. Hari ini Ayo bawa Mama ke dokter. Habis itu minggu depan Ayo bawa Dipo ke dokter. Habis itu Ayo bawa Shira ke dokter. Shira bahkan waktu ulang tahun lagi sakit. Iya kan?
Was?
Yeah, you were. Ingat nggak dapat hadiahnya bukanya di tempat tidur?
Oh.
Kan Shira lagi sakit. Terus Dipo juga sakit. Ayah nggak pernah ngeliat Dipo sakit kayak waktu itu. Dipo sakit di atas, Dipo minta ditemenin tidur sama ayah karena Dipo takut.
Oh yeah, the rash in my throat.
Iya.
In your what?
Rash in my
there were
throat.
rashes, yeah.
Your throat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Makanya
That
sempet
made it
dokter.
really hard to swallow anything and
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah, I remember. But that was
Yeah.
really hard. Pada masa itu sempet kayak kesel nggak kenapa sih kita di New York gitu?
Enggak pernah.
Nggak juga ya? Nggak. Shira terutama, Shira 2 kali masuk rumah sakit.
Yes,
No, I-
like at least like a month after.
Iya, less than a month.
Less
Udah
than
balik, ya.
like some few weeks.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah.
sorry for that. I still feel
I had appendicitis and then I had a bleeding in my intestine.
an ulcer. Yeah, and then you
Yeah.
had an ulcer. Yeah,
I had
it's called an ulcer. A bleeding in your intestines. Dan ayah temenin di sana. Kamu bahkan orang rumah sakitnya sampai bingung, "Loh, kok udah balik lagi?" gitu ya.
Yeah.
I remember I had to call 911.
Yes, because I passed out.
Yeah, you passed
And
out.
also, like, I do remember while I was in the hospital, I would cry while I was sometimes, but especially in the bathroom.
Siap.
Yeah.
Tapi tadinya khawatir kan sama rumah sakit di Amerika, tapi ternyata rumah sakit di New York, oh kecuali ada satu ibu-ibu, remember? When the ambulance came and then the first hospital that we went to, there was this old nurse.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
she wasn't nice. She was like, I
And
wouldn't.
other nurses was like, "She's crazy," remember?
I don't remember that. I just remember she was like, "It's not cold in here." Then, lady, why would I be asking for a blanket if it's not cold? My freaking shorts are like to my thighs.
Yeah. But for the most part, they're nice. Yeah, doctors are nice,
Yeah.
nurses are nice.
I was called a rock star.
Yeah, I know. Now, do you see yourself? How do you see yourself in New York in the future? Like, I know Dipo wants to go to college. We're aiming for art school.
I'm aiming for like a theater school maybe
Theater
because I really want to like
Theater kid.
yeah I really want to be a voice actress when I grow up, like, and activist on the side.
What kind of activist?
Human rights,
Human rights activist. Okay, that's nice.
especially because you know things that go on in Indonesia as well, and in America and Palestine. Yeah.
How about you, Paul?
Yeah.
How do you see yourself in the future here in New York?
I probably want to do something in like animation. At the very most, like storyboarding or character design. Or at the very least, I'll just grab whatever job I can
Imagine-
and just do art on the side.
When I would think of that, I would imagine like, what if I someday would have to be the voice of one of your
Yeah.
characters?
That would be awesome, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so you made the animation, you voiced it,
Storyboard.
and then I fund it.
Yeah.
I fund the project. And then Mama can sing the soundtrack, right?
Yes.
And then there's the wild card of being a bug farmer.
Yeah.
Bug farming. There's
Yeah.
a real job that I have experience with. I can, but
Okay, so I think that's it for now. I
Yeah.
think there's going to be a lot of questions from my subscribers on the comment section. Maybe one day we do another
Please
video just
ask them.
answering questions. You want them to ask
I
questions?
mean, if there will be
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah. Okay, kalau gitu.
Feel
I'm
free to
gonna go in
ask.
the back and dig for.
What?
I'm gonna go dig for bugs over there.
Okay, thank you, Dipo. Thank you, Sira.
Alright.
Thank you, Aya. Bye bye.
I don't know why that made